SIMmachina Tools tutorial. A pre-milled workpiece needs a chamfer machined on one of its sides. Before starting, measure the heights of all available parallels. Open the Parallels Calculator window. Select the machine you'll be using. In the options, double-check that all available parallels are listed. Under the General tab, enter 0.1 as the safety factor for calculations. This ensures there's always a minimum clearance of 0.1 mm between the tool and the top of the vise jaw. Click OK to save and close the options. Now, start entering the required values. Workpiece height, 35 mm. Lateral machining depth, 5 mm. Tool overhang depth, 3 mm. The tool overhang depth is the additional depth beyond the lateral machining depth the tool needs to create a chamfer or radius. Workpiece depth, 30 mm. Vise jaw height, 42 mm. Click Calc PS Height. The program will select the appropriate parallels from the list and display a side view diagram of the setup. The diagram shows vise jaws in gray, parallels in blue, the workpiece in green, the lateral machining depth on the workpiece, and a horizontal line representing the tool's overhang depth. Below the diagram, key calculated values are displayed, such as workpiece height above the jaws, depth below the jaws, and the tool clearance to the top of the vise jaw. Click Report to show all relevant data in a text file, which can be printed and taken to the machine for reference.